Hey everyone, set all your cars. This is our 2015 Mercedes A220 AMG Night Edition. It's the 7-speed DCT, is the diesel model. It's finished in Southeast Seas Blue, which I think looks great. Being the Night Edition, you get the diamond pin grille, the LED DRLs with the xenon lights, the 18-inch multi-spoke alloys, which are all in really nice condition, black mirrors, privacy glass, etc. It's done 72,000 miles. It is Euro 6, so it's ULEZ compliant. Only £20 the tax a year. It's got great history. It's just been serviced. Will come with an MOT. Your reg number is there for any checks that you may wish to carry out. Has a reverse camera. It's got the wind deflectors on there, which is a nice little touch. The car is absolutely immaculate. I'll show you inside. Helps if you unlock it. There you go. All nice and clean in the boot. Handbooks are there. No funny smells or anything. No signs of dog. Just a super clean example. With your parcel shelf. It's got the Artico interior with the red stitch. It's been valeted, as you can see. Rear electric windows. Same in the front with what I would call the tombstone style seats. Proper sports seats. With the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel. Keyless start. Auto lights. 72,725 miles, as you can see there. We'll just start the car for you. You'll see there are no warnings, no issues. And there you have it. Got your AM, FM radio in the centre with your CD, USB and all important Bluetooth audio. This one does have the Becker map pilot included. There you have it. Also has a reverse camera, as you can see there, all functioning correct. Yeah. Bluetooth telephone, of course, and all your other typical Mercedes features. Your driver mode and your start stop just there. With your climatic heater controls. Bit of storage in the centre. Got these really nice little AMG mats as well throughout. Cup holder in the centre. Oh, and underarm storage with trinket tray. Good size glove box. And yeah, that's about it. As I say, this thing is absolutely immaculate. Credit to the previous owner. They have really cared for it. Get involved, give us a call. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Our number is 01509 267 111. Finance is available. We work with a number of lenders and brokers to get you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.